These are the faces of the terrorists who were sharing money on the TikTok. So if you see the comments here, when are you coming to Ibadan? Please come to Oshun. There are a lot of people who drop account number for them to give them giveaway, but for some security reasons, I didn't bother to bring out the account number because I did not screenshot it by myself. Someone screenshot it and sent it to me. So there is no need to be exposing people's account number because when you do that, DSS will just come after them. Then please come to Osun State. I beg, how much to join bros? How much to join the bandit? So make una come our that please. You know go to reach Asaba. So government not fit track this account. Do you see the comments of people who are celebrating the terrorists in Nigeria? So stay with me in this video. Let's talk about the danger of sending account to these people because the DSS will leave these people. They will integrate these people into the society and they will come after you for sponsoring terrorism. And that is a death sentence under new amendment of the Terrorism Act. So I want to explain some certain things to you in this video. So stay with me to the end.
Tinubu and his people created a militia. Who said those words?
Tinubu and his people never created a militia.
So why did you say they did on January 22nd, 2023?
I never said that.
A candidate of all progressive conference as Wajimola Tinubu and his people created a militia. This is the first time in the history of Nigeria where we see a political party creating a militant arm leading to election.
Monday, June 8th, 2026 is today. Good morning. Thanks for joining me in this video. First and first, the other day, the terrorists were on TikTok. They were sharing money. They were doing giveaway. And a lot of people were submitting account number for the terrorists to give them money. I'm not going to say that why has the SS not arrested them or tracked them, because we have concluded that the federal government is aiding them and is collaborating with them. That is a part. But for some of you who are presenting the account number for the terrorists to send money to you, I understand the kind of hardship in the country. I understand that these people has weaponized poverty against the people, both in politics and in insurgency, terrorism. So I have a message for you. Listen, we are living in a country of a particular concern. What you are going to see is different thing entirely. Time will come. They will look at the link where the terrorists transfer money to people. They won't hold the terrorists, right? They are going to hold you. You, Amaka, Jacob, Onduremi, you people sending bandits account number, you are the one they are going to capture. And they will say that you are a terror financier. That time, the pressure will come. They will tell you that they have released people who are collecting money and sending money to the terrorists. And your account statement will prove that you really collect money from the person. Then that time, they will tell you, what link do you have with the terrorists? Maybe you will say, no, it is just online. I saw them sharing money and I decided to drop my account number. That was how they sent money to me. That will not be enough to save you in a court of law, especially in this country of particular concern. The judge will understand what you did, but he will play the script that they will drop for him or they will ask him to do. So it is important you people run away from all these terrorists. DSS knows that these people are online. The military knows, the police are aware. Okay, the video where they are, sleeping with people's mother that they kidnap, terrorists will video it and post it. The video metadata is there. The position of the video is there. These people don't hide. These people don't hide it. I will not say because they don't understand technology. That is because Nigeria is a safe haven for terrorists. So Nigeria is a place where terrorists can come. They will do all sorts of things, do what they want, because there is no one coming to hold them responsible. There is no one coming to tell them, why are you doing this or why are you doing that? They don't care. They just do what they like to do. So in that situation like that, you should be very careful, knowing fully well that the government of APC and Tinubu's administration, right from Buhari's administration, has been in one bed, in one marriage with these terrorists. Tomorrow, these terrorists, they will put them into the society. Let me tell you the danger of what you people are doing. Tomorrow, they will put these terrorists back into the society as repentant terrorists. They will rehabilitate them. They will say that these people have repented. Then, after they must have repented, then they will start doing investigation. The people that are collecting money from terrorists, they will now come and arrest you after they have pardoned the terrorists that give you money. I'm just trying to play script for you. They will come and arrest you after they have freed the terrorist that sent money to you. After they must have integrated him or okay, it is him. It's not a woman. Okay. After they must have integrated him and his group into the society, they will come after you. Then what are you going to do then? Anyway, that is apart. Let us focus on what happened in Ngoshe. Remember that in Ngoshe, the terrorist attack that happened there, people did not talk more about it. I made about 3 videos about it, where they kidnapped about 400 people. Women and children are the major population that they kidnap. Now, recently, the Bokøharam terrorists now released some persons. The Nigerian army claimed that they rescued them. I want you to pay attention now, because this is very dangerous. Nigerian army has indicted themselves. Now, the news we are confirming right now is that the Bokøharam terrorists, as usual, you know they are against Christians. The Bokøharam terrorists now release the Muslim women. If you are a Muslim, they release you. If you belong to Islam, they release you. And they hold Christians to ransom. Up to now, they didn't release the Christians. They released the Muslims. And Nigerian army claimed that they are the one that rescued these people. Now, this is the danger part of it. If the Nigerian army claims that they rescued these people, in other words, they rescue the Muslims and leave the Christians. So the question we are putting forth to the Nigerian soldiers is that, so you people went there to rescue Muslims and leave the Christians? This is a 1 million question. Do you people go there to rescue the Muslims and leave the Christians? This question is here to be answered. It shows that Nigerian troops did not rescue them. Bokøharam willingly released the Muslims and hold the Christians, to account for the ransom and pay their blood tax for not being a Muslim. Remember Nde Shaibu? Remember so many of them? They are still in captivity. They got married to them. Their crime is that they are Christians. Whether they are still alive up to today, nobody knows. They are still Christians. Nde Shaibu was the one that gave Reno Mokre fame. Reno Mokre was going from one country to the another, campaigning that there is a Christian genocide. A Christian girl has been held because of her faith, and people embrace him because of that message. The same man was the one who brought Mike Arnold to lie that there is no Christian genocide. Mike Arnold said, no, I can't do this. No, I can't do this because of money. Do you see how black man is? Do you see how dangerous a black man can be? And that is why I'm telling you that this country is not sustainable. If you like to do what you are doing from now to next year, you see this insecurity to increase. It will only increase. Are we praying for it? No. Are we trying to fight it? Yes. Are we fighting it? Yes. And the only 2 solutions to it is that, number 1, everybody must arm themselves. Arm yourself. Get your gun. Join a security outfit. Everybody must police themselves. You must vigilante yourself. You must vigilant yourself. You must get your own gun. It might not be important to you now, but the day they will strike you, that day you will remember that there is something you ought to have done. That is number 1. I saw the message of Oni of Ife. He is telling the Yoruba monarchs to gather and use voodoo against the bandits, to gather and, use traditional means to fight the terrorists. If you have a traditional means of fighting the terrorists, what are you waiting for? Do it. Do it. This is about life and death. This is an existential threat. There is a place these people are going. Because I know their destination, I can tell you what will happen next time. Next time, terrorists will be walking, not on bike, not on everything. They will be walking in so many communities. Going to your house, they will knock for you. Are you a Muslim or Christian? You are a Christian, they will behead you. Enter another door, knock for you. Are you a Muslim or Christian? You are a Christian, they will behead you. So this is where they are going. Because I know where they are coming from. I know their destination. So I know where they are right now. I will not stop giving you this example. That if you are going from Delta State to Lagos, maybe you move from Asaba, the capital city of Delta State. When you are going, you will pass cities like Isendoku, you will pass Agbo. And when you are in Benin, I can predict that you will get to Ore because you are going to Lagos. So that is how I understand the movement of these terrorists. Their mission is to overthrow the Nigerian government. Their mission is to install an Islamic State of Nigeria to be called the Caliphate Republic. Then the last thing is that the Caliphate Republic will be governed by Sharia law. That is their mission. And a lot of politicians love it. A lot of people in the government love it. That is why they appoint Bokøharams. They give Bokøharams political appointments. If it is in a normal country, someone who give Bokøharam political appointment, someone who was hiding Bokøharam so that DSS will not arrest the person, they clear him. He is now the vice president of Nigeria, and the one that handed over him was the one that appointed Bokøharam as a commissioner of religious affairs for the implementation of Sharia. And up to today, Borno State is still funding terrorism through gangs of repentant terrorists. How dare you budget 12 billion naira? I saw it in their budget, so you can go and check it. It's still online. Okay? Our problem is that we don't do research. They budgeted 12 billion for the issue of Bokøharam. How? How? The people that are killing your people, the people that are massacring you, the people that are doing all sorts of things against you. You see, I told people that political regime change is not the hope of the people. However, removing APC administration is a counter-terrorism act. It is an act of counter-terrorism. It's not political. So even someone like me, who would not like anything politics, because I know that I have, when it comes to political something, we have been doing this thing since 2003, 2007, 2011, 2014, 15, 2019, 2023. Nothing changed. It's not the hope. Things are getting worse. But you see, removing APC is a counter-terrorism act. It is a work that must be done. It's like a do-or-die affair. Many military intelligence officers in Nigeria has confirmed that DSS have enough information about the killings, about who are sponsoring terrorism. And majority of them are in the government. So DSS cannot do anything about it. That if APC did not go out, these terrorists will win the battle. These terrorists will win the battle. It's just that when you are fighting war, you see another country backing up the terrorists or backing up another country to fight you. That is what Nigerians are facing. The APC administration is like another country that is backing the Fulani militia, backing Bokøharam against Nigerians. They imported the Fulani militia. They imported them. Tinubu's coalition with Buhari imported them. They admitted they imported them. And up to now, people are still doing APC. This is the same structure. Not as if the structure has changed. The structure has not changed. It is the same structure that imported the terrorists. And you want them to fight the terrorists. Funny Nigerians. Anyway, it is what it is. And Nigeria remains a country of particular concern. A country of particular concern. And we must not deny that. Anyway, it is what it is. Stop sending your account number to the terrorists. It will indict you. And by that time, the terrorists must have been forgiven. It is very dangerous. And Nigerian soldiers claiming they rescued the Ngoshe women, Ngoshe people. It seems that Nigeria army are working with these people. How can you rescue only Muslims and leave Christians? It's a question to answer. Now, the last thing is that it is true that Nigerian soldiers claim that they rescued them is questionable. It's not approved. So it was Bokøharam that willingly released their fellow Muslims. See you on my next video.